So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get the latest update of my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do the very common spiral colorful tie-dye shirt. So today I'm going to use the rainbow color. I'm going to use red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. These are the main colors that I'm going to use for my spiral rainbow tie-dye project. So let's do it. To use for this project is the rainbow color. So what I have here is the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So let's fill this up with water and let's start doing this rainbow tie-dye shirt. Everything is set now and we're ready to make our rainbow color tie-dye project. So I have the shirt here and I have to reverse it again. So the most common tie-dye shirt that I've seen on t-shirts are the spiral. So I'm gonna do that spiral thing. I'm going to start on this side. So I have to twist it. Oh, these gloves makes me annoying. So yes, it looks like perfect to me, and I have to wipe the spill color so that it won't stain to the other side, and I'm gonna flip it down and I have to follow what color here. So yes, it looks like perfect to me, and I love the color how I put it. So this is the first spiral t-shirt, and I'm going to make another spiral shirt, and then we're gonna rinse this within 24 hours. So I already put this inside the Ziploc, so we're gonna start another one for the spiral rainbow color shirt. So our next shirt is a spiral. This time I think I'm gonna start here on the bottom. So for all you know guys, I took off my gloves because it's hard to twist this shirt because of the moist. So This is a spiral rainbow color. I started at the bottom of the shirt, and then let's color it up. I'm done with my second spiral rainbow color shirt, and this one I started the twist on the bottom side of the shirt. So this guys, I'm done with my two rainbow color tie-dye shirt. So I hope this one looks beautiful, even though if we didn't see the outcome yet. Alright, see you tomorrow guys. So alright guys, welcome back, and after 24 hours I already have here my spiral rainbow color. So this is it. I'm very excited for this one because I really love the color, so I'm excited to rinse it. And come on, join me. Let's find out what it's gonna look like. Alright? And the other one is, I think the spiral of this one is it comes from the armpit, I guess. Yeah. Woo. I like it. This is not a bad thing for a first timer. This is not bad. Alright, I'm excited to wash this, and I hope when it dries up it looks better now, so we'll see. Okay guys, let's wash this together since they have same colors. And right, we'll see you in a bit. So this one is the twist is here at the bottom of the shirt, and look, it looks pretty to me, looks good. So we're gonna hand this with an air dry. And they said you don't need to dry this shirt under the heat of the sun, so I'm gonna hang this inside the bathroom. So this one is the twirl or the twist was here under the sleeve of this shirt. So look at that. I love the distinction of every color. And let's wait to make this shirt dry up, and then I'm gonna put my design here, my logo. So see you. So guys, I have here my finished product, and I am so very happy with the result of my rainbow color tie-dye project. And to my previous video, I was happy with that, but this one, so colorful, I really like it. And this one is, I'm going to give it to my sister, and most probably she gonna like it too. And I'm gonna show you my rainbow tie-dye color project. Alright, I'm excited to show it to you guys. And this one is the one I twisted it on the bottom of the shirt. So this is it. Yes. So the colors are vibrant, and this is the one that I started at the bottom. Yes, I like it. And the second one is where I start my twist is under the sleeves of the shirt. So for the distinction of each color is vibrant, and I love it. So with my Kik logo on it, so it's like perfect. So I'm so happy with this result, and I hope guys you had fun watching my video with this rainbow color tie-dye project. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and for the latest update, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below, and thank you so much for watching. See you!